Listen, if you're tired of being broke, you are frustrated and you constantly worry about money, then this video is for you. Because I'm not here to motivate you, but I'm here to tell you something that nobody will ever tell you. And every young person in Africa needs to understand how the money system works. Because if you don't understand money, money will continue to control you and will keep you broke. Yes, you are broke because you don't have a system. You don't have a saving system. You don't have an investment system. You don't have a personal growth system. You just collect salary, spend everything, start again. This is financial suicide and it guarantees poverty. You cannot build wealth by chance. You build wealth by system. One of the biggest errors that we ever make is you spend before you even save. This is the first and the number one killer of young people financially. You earn 100,000 naira, you earn 200,000 naira, you earn 300,000 naira, and you save nothing. If you cannot save when you are earning small, you will never save money when you are big. Savings is discipline and not amount. And again, you don't have a budget, you don't have a plan, you don't have a direction. Money without direction becomes useless. You must have a structure, 20% savings, 10% personal development, and 70% living expenses. You can decide to live on it. This means if you are earning 100,000 naira, you are going to be saving 20,000 naira, you are going to be investing 10,000 naira in yourself, and you are going to be living on the remaining 70,000 naira. I want you to do this for a year and you will see a drastic change in your financial life. Saving money alone will not make you rich, but saving, investing the money that you save, this is how you escape poverty. You plan for the future. Your 20% savings for a year must enter one of these things: stocks, mutual fund, treasury bills, or dollar investment. 100,000 naira monthly is approximately 120,000 naira yearly. 20,000 saved monthly is approximately 240,000 naira yearly. Invest that constantly for 3 to 5 years, your future will be transformed. And this is how you can escape poverty. You can escape being broke, because you earn this money. After a year, you invest the money that you have earned, the 240,000. You invest this money into stocks, you invest into mutual fund, you invest into treasury bills. Make an inquiry. Government also, they do have treasury bills that you can invest in. So invest this for 3 to 5 years, and gradually you will see that you are coming out of poverty gradually. So you don't invest because you don't understand money, but nobody taught you how to invest into the stocks market, how to invest into treasury bills, how to invest into mutual fund and ETFs. You don't understand any of this, and it is not taught in school. So we fear investment, but the rich are richer because they invest early and they do this repeatedly. This is why I tell the young people, it's either you understand how the financial market works or you remain poor forever. Another error is you don't invest into skills. Your income cannot grow if your skills remains the same. If you don't grow, your money won't grow. Your 10% personal development should go into buying of courses, buying of books, mentorship, or learning a high income skills. Go to www.nonex.com. You will see various courses there that you can take advantage of, and I will put the link into the description of this video. A skills you learn today can feed you for 20 years. Another bigger error is you want fast money. You want the very fast money, not real money. Most youth invest into Ponzi schemes, forex gambling, crypto signals, betting miracles, but they don't invest into discipline, they don't invest into savings, they don't invest into long-term investing, they don't invest into skill building. They don't invest into sacrifice. Fast money mindset is the fastest way to remain broke forever. If you want financial freedom, you must think in years, not days. You must think in decades and not months. The money you save this year, the investment you start this year, the skills you build this year, they are seeds and your future will also thank you for it. You are not broke because you are cursed. You are not broke because you are not working hard. You are not broke because God hates you, but you are broke because you do not follow a system. And take a good look on this video that I've discussed with you today and go over this 8 point that I've shared for you. The 8 points from number 1 to number 8, and try to invest. Start today. Today is the day. And today is the 4th of December 2025. So look at me now. I'm starting to lecture you on financial literacy because I've seen these mistakes concerning the young people. It's too rampant, and no one is orientating us. We don't understand this thing. So I've taken this upon myself in order to let you know, in order for me to enlighten you, to make awareness concerning this, so that you can plan for your future. If you don't plan for your future will be a hell of a wreck, and I'm sure that you don't want that to happen. I want to specially thank you for watching this video, and I want you to go through this video over and over again. Don't mind the way I'm speaking. I'm just speaking the way it has come to my mind, and how best that I know that I can present to you and you can get what I'm saying. So go all over this again, and ensure that you subscribe to this channel and click the like button so that you get the notification for this video whenever that I post video. And I'm going to be kind of consistent with this, but this is the method that I'm going to be using to communicate with you. Just follow my heart, follow what I'm saying. As time goes on, I will get better at giving you the best presentation. But I want you to have a lovely day ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Ambassador AMOO Oluwasegun is my name, and my joy is to see you as a Nigerian youth succeed, and we can both manage our resources very well, so that we can secure a better future for yourself and for mine. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, Eshe.